Hello friends, this is the tutorial 3 in which we will understand the basics in Python, that is the data types in Python. And first we will start with launching our Jupyter notebook. This is the home page when you will launch it. And we will go to our new folder, and that is, I have created one, that is the name of Python tutorials. Here you go to new Python 3, and once it opens, enter the name of your notebook, and we will write here numbers, rename it. So what are numbers? This is one of the data types in Python. And numbers store, so what do numbers do? They store numeric values, and they can be either in the form of integer or float. So when I want to convert this into comment, I just include a hash, and here also a hash. So when I hit shift enter, this will not be converted into an error. So now let's start. Like suppose I name number is equals to 67, and I just write print number. It will give me 67. Let's just find out the length of my number. Let's see what it gives me. It is returning me an error. It's a type error. That integer has no length. That means integers, the data types integers, numbers will not have no length. Okay. Let's find out the class of it. So print, I want to print the type of my number. What is it? It is integer. Okay. So suppose now if I give number 1 and I say it is 60, okay, I take it 89.88, and I want to print the length again. Okay, I want to print the length of this number. Can it give me the length of this number? Again, it returns me an error that again integer has no length. Okay, fine. So we understood that numbers have no length here. We cannot perform this function length here. Now let's print the type of my number 1. Okay, just a minute. Let take say number 1. Again, float is also having no length. This is the class float. Let's print the, what else now we can do with this? Okay. Next we shall see the operations on the numbers. What are the operations we can perform on numbers? So simple arithmetic performance, numbers will perform. So let's check it. What is it? Simple. You take a equals to 34, you take b equals to 78, and now what you do, you simply write a plus b. Okay, I'll take this number as a bigger one because we can then operate it. It's 167. Simply you can write a minus b, it gives you 11. You can do the multiplication also, it gives you that. You can do division, it gives you that. Now suppose I just want the integer value of it. I call it floor division, and here it comes. Only the integer value, and this is called the floor division. Floor division, which just returns me the integer part of the answer. Now if I just want the remainder, so what I write is modulus, and this gives me 11. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. Now what about exponential and power in Python? So I can just here write, suppose I want a into 2. Okay, it will give me 7921. Now what is my a here? A is 89. Now suppose if I print 89 into 89, it will give me the same answer as here. If I want the cube of 89, I can simply write the exponential, and I write here 3. It will give me the cube of it. Okay. Now if I want to write, suppose, another operation, if I want to perform here, this is exponential. Now another operation which I perform here is power. Okay, I write power, POW, and suppose I want 3 cube, it will give me 27. Suppose I want 5 cube, and here is power, PW, this will give me 125. So this is power. Another function is delete. Suppose I want to delete my number 1 and it has been deleted. Now if I want to retrieve it with writing number 1, see what it gives me, that it is not defined, that means it is deleted. So we've seen the operations on number, we've seen the type, print, and various operations on this number. So this was the first data type in Python, the numbers. In the next video we will see strings. Thank you.